Hello and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you guys how to make quick and easy chili in a slow cooker. You'll find all the ingredients in the description field of this video, as well as throughout the ticker that will pop up in this video. So if you need a meal that's quick and easy, this is perfect because you can do your meal prep the night before. So I have 1 pound of steak-umm that I just already cooked. And I just lightly season it with a little bit of salt. So this is steak-umm. And it's perfect for, if you need a quick meat to cook. So I got the steak-umm that I'm going to add to it. Then I have crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce. I have my pinto beans. And if you want to use different type of beans or whatever, feel free. Choice is yours. I have all my spices. And I have my onions and bell peppers, and I did saute these beforehand. And if you don't want to saute your onions and peppers, you can throw them in there raw. And also there's 3 cloves of garlic that's in there. I'm going to give everything a stir. Please don't forget to check out my previous videos. Also, please hit the thumbs up and share this video. So just mix everything really well. I mean, this is such a quick and easy recipe. So I'm going to just turn my slow cooker on high, and I'm going to put the lid on, and then I'm just going to let this go for about 3 hours on high. Now, if you want to do this on low, you can let this go for about 8 hours on low. So it's been about close to 4 hours for me. And here is our chili. We'll give this a stir. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it for salt and pepper. Of course, adjust the spices to your taste buds. So I'm going to serve this and we'll be right back. So here's our chili. I just served it with a little bit of sour cream and cheddar cheese on top with some chives. Just look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And I did add some additional, a little bit of salt to it. But it had plenty of salt in it from the bullion, which is part of the spices. But let's give it a taste. Wow. Those beans really soaked up all that flavor. I just love how tender the meat is. It's absolutely delicious. Nice and hearty. And definitely soul warming. This is great for the winter time. Please try my recipe, add this video to your playlist, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching, subscribing. I got Chicago hard roll. Some of you guys are always curious about the bread, but yeah, Chicago hard roll. Nice crusty bread to have with this. But thank you so much for watching and supporting, and I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to check out my previous videos.